Hey y'all, it's Tali and welcome to today's video. I'm really excited for today's video because I know I show a lot of the clothes I buy, and I do show my outfits, like, you know, like in my vlogs and stuff, like I show what I'm wearing and whatnot, but I don't have many videos dedicated to just showing you guys outfits, showing you guys outfit inspiration, you know, showing you guys styling, how I like to style my clothes. So I'm really excited for this video. So by saying that, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys all the outfits I'm bringing with me on vacation. So of course I'm planning and picking out my outfits before I leave for the trip, but there probably also will be some clips in here from the vacation as well. So this trip is a trip to Mexico and I am going to CABO. So this is kind of like a vacation lookbook and outfit inspiration video. If your style is Loveshackfancy, girly, preppy, pink, all that good stuff, then you are definitely at the right place. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Tali and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias here on the screen, down in the description below, and let's start planning every outfit I'm gonna bring to Mexico. Also, before we start, I wanted to show you guys my nails. Anytime I go on a trip, I have to get my nails done. I feel like the nails bring outfits together, and I love getting my nails done for trips and special occasions. So these are the nails I have right now. All right guys, so to me, when I am going on vacation and I'm going like on the airplane or something, the first outfit I always pack is the airplane fit. Now, I know some of you guys are probably like, you don't need an airplane fit, you know, just throw something together, but I am a different person. I like to have an airplane fit. All right, so for my airplane fit, I picked out this Stony Clover Lane X Target little terry cloth pink set. I think this is the perfect plane fit because also I get very cold on the plane, so I need something, you know, that is a long sleeve on the top and the bottom. So this is gonna be perfect. And just to show you guys again, this is what it looks like. I have a whole video on the Stony Clover collection and I will put it here on the screen so you guys can see. But I love these sets and I still wear them all the time to this day. So when I like to pack my outfits, especially for like long trips like this, I do like to try them all on and just make sure they all look good and they all look right. I like to do that. I like to kind of put my makeup together, you know, have my hair kind of how it's gonna look majority of the trip and try on all my outfits. I also want to say I don't know exactly when I'll be wearing each of these outfits to, like exactly to what thing or when or whatnot, but I know I'm going to bring them. All right guys, so this is the first outfit I'm gonna bring. It is this super cute little Loveshackfancy set. It is the blue mint bow calypso top with the little matching skirt. This is definitely, I think, a shopping and dinner outfit. It is so cute. And I have it just paired with, I know you can't see my feet, but I'm gonna still show you guys. I have it paired with just these white flip-flops. They are Tommy Bahama, and they have this super cute little seashell here. Alright guys, this is the next outfit I have picked out. So the top is this just one shoulder Ella Moss knit sweater, and when I got this sweater I didn't think it was summery, but it totally gives me summer vibes with the one shoulder. And then I just paired it with this Loveshackfancy sunset ombre mini skirt, and it has the gold, and I paired it with this chunky heart necklace. And to keep the gold theme running along, I'm also going to pair it with these gold ASOS heels. You guys will probably see these with a lot of outfits. I love these heels to death. Alright guys, here is the next outfit I picked out, and oh my gosh, let me tell you guys. So for those of y'all who watch my Christmas haul, if you guys haven't seen it, I'll put it here on the screen. But I got this dress for Christmas. This is the Loveshackfancy Raylan dress. I have been wanting this dress forever, and I got it for Christmas, and I had already knew we were going to the trip during that time, and this has been an outfit saved for the trip specifically for that long. I absolutely love this dress. I have wanted it for so long, and it is just so cute. I'm so thankful my mother got it for me, and I think this is just a perfect beach summer dress. I have two options. I'm pretty sure I'm bringing both of these to CABO, but the first one is just these soda little woven sandals. I bought these specifically for the trip, and these I got as a gift for myself. These are the Loeffler Randall bow heels. Alright Alright guys, here's another look. This is another piece I have been dreaming about wearing and also owning. I got it for Christmas as well. It is this Loveshackfancy Lansing Plover Sailboat Sweater. I have loved this sweater forever, ever since I saw it on Pinterest whenever I started getting into Loveshack. I've always just dreamed of wearing this sweater and wearing it on vacation, and I'm finally doing that now, and it's just so amazing to me, and I just really love this sweater. So I have the Loveshack sweater also paired with the white ruffle mini. Alright guys, next I have this one. Now bear with me because it's going to be hard to see the skirt because it is a midi skirt and I'm super short, but I thrifted this midi skirt and I just thought it was perfect for summer vacation. It's crochet, it's woven, I think that just screams summer. I paired it with this white puff sleeve top, but I'm not sure, I'm sorry, I'm looking at my mirror over there, but I'm not sure if I'm loving this one. I do really want to wear this skirt. I thrifted it. I also showed it to you guys in my huge summer vacation haul, which if you guys have not seen that video yet, I will put it here on the screen. So yeah, I definitely do want to bring this skirt. Maybe I need like more of a crop top or something. I don't know, I'm not too sure, but this is definitely a very vacation summer-esque outfit. Alright guys, here's another dress I'm bringing to CABO. This is the Loveshackfancy Tayana dress. My mom surprised me with this dress for the trip. It is such a gorgeous dress. I have it paired with this gold chunky necklace, and I don't know if it'll be this necklace, but it definitely, I think, looks better with a gold necklace and a bigger one. Shoes, if I'm doing gold jewelry, I probably would do my gold ASOS heels. Alright guys, so all those outfits that I just showed you guys, I'm definitely all bringing on the trip. Now, I do have some wiggle room. I think I need like 2 more outfits just like to be safe, and now I'm gonna try on a couple of different options that I have to bring as another outfit. So let's go try those on. Alright, so first is this one shoulder hot pink long maxi dress. This one I did thrift as well. This one's a little plain compared to like some of my other outfits, which is okay, and it's pink, which, you know, makes up for all of it. This one I think maybe I could probably bring just to have it just in case. And, you know, if I don't wear it, then no harm done. Okay, so this next one is a bodycon dress, which is definitely not my typical dress of choice. And it has a little ruffle at the bottom. I'm trying to show you guys again because I'm super short. But this one, okay, so I bought this one and, you know, I couldn't tell if I loved it at first. It's definitely not my color palette. These colors are more brighter. I'm more into pastels. But I definitely think this one screams vacation, it screams summer, it screams like, you know, bougie and like fancy. So this one I think might have to make an appearance on the trip. Alright, and then this is the last one I have. It is this super cute ruched little pink mini dress. This is from Forever 21. It is so cute. I love the floral, or like the big like flower on the front. And I love the little bottom here with little ruffles. This one I think might have to make it as well, but we'll see. Alright guys, so those were all the outfits, and now I'm gonna pack some more. So those are all outfits for sure I want to bring, for sure I want to wear. I'm either gonna wear them for lunch, dinner, the whole day, whatnot, not sure yet. But now I'm gonna show you guys just some other clothes that I'm gonna bring, like some other like outfits for the day, and those might be for the night. So this one is more of like a cover up. I also can wear it as an outfit, but I put together this Loveshackfancy X Hurley little set, and it is so cute. I kid you not, I bought this literally last Christmas when it went on sale, and I put it in my pile of all the CABO stuff, and I'm so excited to break it out. I just took the tags off it right now. Another shirt I'm definitely bringing is this Venice Beach pink crop shirt. I have this little set I'm gonna bring. This is actually so funny. This is actually Zara Kids. So this is the top. It is just this like super summery, very preppy little crop top. And then it has the matching little skirt. Alright guys, so I picked out the day outfits, I picked out the night outfits, and I think the only outfits that are left are the swimsuit outfits. Now, I know what you're thinking, how can you have a swimsuit outfit when you're wearing the swimsuit? cover-ups. I have to bring quite a few swimsuits to this trip because one of the biggest things or like main things we're doing is swimming. So I have to bring a few swimsuits, and I figured with each swimsuit I can have a little matching cover-up outfit, which I know is a little extra. I don't need a cover-up for every single swimsuit. I could probably reuse the same one the whole time I'm there, but I'm from Texas, so with me, it's go big or go home. All right, so here is one of the little swimsuit sets I'm bringing. This is my new Loveshackfancy one piece. It is so gorgeous. Look at how pretty this rose print is. Like, oh my God. So here's the one piece, and then I'm just pairing it with this ruffle mini. Next, I have this Loveshackfancy swimsuit, which, fun fact, I actually thrifted this. Like, I found it in the Goodwill, and like, I literally almost bawled my eyes out. But that's besides the fact. Anyways, and then I'm just pairing it with this little terry cloth, little yellow skirt. I thought it would pair nicely with the yellow on the swimsuit. All right, guys, here is another little set. Now, I'm not sure if this is gonna be the swimsuit that goes with this cover-up, but I really wanna wear this cover-up. I thrifted it, and it is such a unique piece. I'm pretty sure it's handmade. There's no label tag, anything on it, and it is just really cool, and it is also so summery with the crochet, and it's just a really unique piece, and I have to wear this on vacation. Here is another little swimsuit set I have. So this top and bottoms are both from Target. They are by Wild Fable. And this is a white Free People shirt, which I'm actually not sure if it's a cover-up, but I'm gonna wear it as a cover-up. It is so gorgeous. It has this gorgeous lace detailing here on the sleeves and on the back, and I love this one. Okay, and here's another set. Again, this swimsuit is from Target. It's Wild Fable, and I love this one. This one is very cottagecore vibes, very girly. This one was one of my favorites when I picked it out. Ruffle cover-up shorts. Like, I think together like this as a top would just be so cute. And this is my last little set I have put together. This one, I was kind of looking at the colors I have, and I want to bring something brighter, so I definitely want to bring this swimsuit. Now, I'm not sure if this is the one I'm gonna pick. The reason why I picked this sweatshirt, I'm for sure bringing it for sure, like just to lounge in and have, but I think it would look really cute with the lime green, like, you know, the little matchy. So yeah. All right, guys, I think I have all my clothes packed, and I think I'm ready for my trip. This video was so fun to film. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and thank you so much for sticking by and packing all my outfits with me. Let me know if you guys like this video. This was something I never done before. I actually had a lot of fun filming it, and I like that I have it all on camera to look back on, and it was just really fun to just play dress up. Again, I'm so excited, and I'm just very thankful and very blessed to be able to go on this trip. Just cannot wait to go, relax, have fun, and just be a little stylish. Again, my name is Tali, and thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias here on the screen, down in the description below. I bet you they are filled with vacation content already. And I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic, amazing, gorgeous, fabulous day.